Did you know that homes with exposed brick walls can see a value increase of up to 6%? That's right. Those beautiful rustic walls aren't just aesthetically pleasing. They're a smart investment too. Exposed brick offers a timeless appeal that resonates with homeowners and potential buyers alike. It's a design element that whispers of history and character. It can transform a space from ordinary to extraordinary. There's something undeniably charming about exposed brick. Its rugged texture and rich history evoke a sense of timelessness that few other materials can match. When you run your fingers across the surface, you can almost feel the stories embedded within each brick, stories of the hands that laid them and the lives that unfolded around them. Its texture and color variations create a visual depth that's hard to replicate. The subtle differences in each brick, from the deep reds to the softer oranges and browns, add a layer of complexity to any space. These variations are not just visually appealing, but also tell a tale of the natural materials and processes that formed them. Each brick tells a story, whispering of the building's past. The weathered look of an old brick wall can transport you back in time, offering a glimpse into the architectural styles and construction techniques of bygone eras. It's like a living museum, preserving the essence of history within its rugged facade. The imperfections, the slight color shifts, the mortar lines, they all contribute to its unique personality. These elements make each brick wall a one-of-a-kind masterpiece, a testament to the craftsmanship and materials that went into its creation. The mortar lines, in particular, add a rhythmic pattern that guides the eye and enhances the overall aesthetic. Whether it's a classic red brick or a more modern painted finish, exposed brick adds warmth and character. In a classic setting, the natural red hues can create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. In a modern context, a painted brick wall can serve as a bold statement piece, blending seamlessly with contemporary design elements. It can complement a variety of design styles, from industrial chic to farmhouse rustic. In an industrial setting, exposed brick pairs beautifully with metal and wood, creating a raw, edgy look. In a farmhouse kitchen, it adds a touch of rustic charm, making the space feel warm and lived in. This versatility makes it a sought-after feature in both modern and historic homes. In contemporary homes, it can serve as a striking focal point, adding texture and interest to sleek, minimalist designs. In historic homes, it preserves the architectural integrity while adding a layer of authenticity and charm. The enduring beauty of brick lies in its ability to adapt and enhance any space, making it a timeless choice for homeowners and designers alike. Beyond its visual appeal, brick offers practical benefits. Brick has excellent thermal mass. This means it can absorb and store heat. During the day, a brick wall can absorb heat from sunlight. This helps keep your home cool. At night, it slowly releases that stored heat, providing natural warmth. This natural temperature regulation can contribute to energy efficiency. By reducing the need for artificial heating and cooling, exposed brick can help you save money on your energy bills while enjoying a more comfortable living environment. While exposed brick is relatively low maintenance, it does require some care to preserve its beauty. It's important to regularly inspect the mortar for any cracks or crumbling. These issues should be addressed promptly to prevent further damage. Brick is porous, meaning it can absorb moisture. In areas prone to dampness, sealing the brick is crucial. This helps prevent mold growth and maintains the structural integrity of the wall. Section 5. Preserving the integrity of brick. Exposed brick walls are meant to be showcased. They add a rustic charm and a sense of history to any space. The natural look of brick can transform a room, giving it a warm and inviting atmosphere. Whether in a modern loft or a traditional home, exposed brick walls stand out as a unique design element that speaks volumes about the character of the building. Painting or covering them diminishes their inherent beauty and can even decrease your home's value. The natural patina of brick developed over years tells a story that paint simply cannot replicate. When you cover brick, you lose the depth and texture that make it special. Moreover, painted brick can be difficult to maintain and may require frequent touch-ups to keep it looking fresh. The texture and character of the brick are what make it so appealing. Each brick is unique, with its own set of imperfections and color variations. This individuality is what gives brick walls their charm. The rough texture adds a tactile element to your space, inviting you to reach out and touch it. It's a sensory experience that painted walls simply can't offer. If you choose to paint, opt for breathable paints specifically designed for masonry. These paints allow the brick to maintain its natural ability to breathe. Traditional paints can trap moisture inside the brick, leading to issues like mold and deterioration. Breathable paints, on the other hand, let moisture escape, preserving the integrity of the brick while still allowing you to change its color if desired. These allow the brick to breathe and release moisture, preventing potential problems down the line. Moisture trapped inside brick can cause significant damage over time, including cracking and spalling. By using breathable paints, you ensure that your brick walls remain in good condition for years to come. This not only protects your investment, but also maintains the aesthetic appeal of your home. Remember, once you cover the brick, you lose its unique charm and the authenticity it brings to your space. Exposed brick walls are more than just a design choice. They are a testament to the craftsmanship and history of the building. By preserving the natural state of your brick walls, you honor the past while creating a timeless look that will never go out of style. So, think carefully before you decide to paint or cover your brick walls. The decision you make will have a lasting impact on the character and value of your home. Section 6. The investment of exposed brick. The cost of installing an exposed brick wall can vary depending on factors like the size of the wall, the type of brick used, and labor costs in your area. On average, you can expect to pay between $25 and $45 per square foot for professional installation. While this might seem like a significant investment, consider it an investment in your home's value and aesthetic appeal. The timeless beauty and durability of brick make it a worthwhile addition to any space. Section 7. The added bonus: soundproofing. Another benefit of exposed brick walls is their sound dampening qualities. The density and thickness of brick act as a natural sound barrier. This can be especially beneficial in urban environments or apartments where noise pollution is a concern. Imagine enjoying a peaceful evening at home, undisturbed by the sounds of traffic or noisy neighbors. Exposed brick can help create a more serene and relaxing atmosphere in your living spaces. Section 8. Brick, a timeless trend. Exposed brick walls have become increasingly popular in recent years, especially in urban homes and commercial spaces. They add a touch of industrial chic to lofts and apartments, and they bring a sense of history and warmth to restaurants, cafes, and retail stores. This trend reflects a desire for authenticity and character in design. People are drawn to the unique beauty and timeless appeal of exposed brick. It's a design element that transcends fleeting trends and adds lasting value to any space. Section 9. Embracing the exposed brick aesthetic. Exposed brick walls are more than just a design trend. They're a statement of character, history, and style. These walls tell a story, one that is rich with the passage of time and the evolution of architectural design. The texture and color variations in the bricks add a layer of depth and authenticity that is hard to replicate with other materials. They offer a unique blend of aesthetic appeal and practical benefits, making them a sought-after feature in homes and commercial spaces alike. The raw, unfinished look of exposed brick can create a warm and inviting atmosphere, perfect for both residential and commercial settings. In a home, it can add a touch of rustic charm or industrial chic, depending on how it's styled. In a commercial space, it can make a bold statement, setting the tone for a trendy cafe or a sophisticated office. Whether you're drawn to their rustic charm, their energy efficiency, or their soundproofing qualities, exposed brick walls have something to offer everyone. The natural insulation properties of brick can help keep your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer, making it an energy-efficient choice. Additionally, the density of brick provides excellent soundproofing, creating a quieter, more peaceful environment. Exposed brick walls are a timeless design element that can elevate any space. They can serve as a stunning backdrop in a bedroom, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication. In an office, they can create a professional yet stylish environment that inspires creativity and productivity. The versatility of exposed brick makes it a perfect choice for any room in your home or business. So, if you're considering incorporating exposed brick into your next project, embrace its beauty and let its timeless elegance transform your space. Whether you're renovating an old building or designing a new one, exposed brick can add character and charm that will stand the test of time. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and finishes to create a look that is uniquely yours. With exposed brick, the possibilities are endless.